Hey guys, this is Kyle here coming to you with another unboxing video. Today we have the Nest Learning Thermostat. I did buy this for my home. You can control this thermostat from anywhere with your mobile device. Kind of look at the box here, see what it says. Nest saves you energy. I've heard really good things about the energy savings that you can get with these Nest products. There is no more programming. This is a completely auto-schedulable product. It has a motion sensor on it, so as long as where the thermostat goes is in a hallway or somewhere where there's a motion, it'll program itself based on when you're in that space or when you're in those areas. Don't heat or cool an empty home. Works with auto away, which is in the Nest app. It uses the location on your phone, so you can have it, have different temperatures when you're at home versus when you're away. Also, you can control your thermostat from anywhere using the phone, a tablet, a laptop. You can log in with that. It gives you all sorts of information about what energy you're saving, has an eco mode, and really you can install this in 30 minutes or less, it says here on this box. So we'll see if that becomes true when I do this myself. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this open so that we can take a look at what's in the box. If I can get this to open for me. There we go. There we go. Set that over there. So we'll just open. So this has this little sleeve that the box comes in. So this is the box with the actual product in it. We have to peel the little seal here so that you know that it hasn't been pre-opened since manufactured. I'll flip this around. So there, we'll open the box, and right there on top you can see this has a cover on it, but this is the Nest thermostat. It pretty slick looking. I got the black stainless steel version, I believe. Has the QR code on here. I can only assume that is for setting it up just like you would do with the video doorbells. They have these QR codes that you scan to set it up in the app. You can only assume that that's what that is for. Let's see what other paperwork we have in here. So looks like we've got some documentation here. It says welcome home, meet the Nest Learning Thermostat, get to know each other. So you can put clocks on here. You can run the fan when you're not running the heating and the cooling to distribute the air through your house, saving you energy. It shows all the different settings, kind of a timeline. Looks like a timeline here of installing, remote controlling. It goes all the way down to it getting all of this stuff set, and season changes at the 90-day mark. So I'll have to look through that a little bit more. So that's a nice little piece of paperwork they put in here. They've got a card for if you don't want to install the Nest thermostat yourself, you can call the Nest Pros. They usually contract people out of the area. You go to nest.com/install according to that. And then this is the installation guide. So this is what I will use to determine if this buddy works on my wall. So that will be my plan. And then it even, oh, that was nice. We'll go back to this for a second. It actually has labeling. You can label your cables. There's multiple cables when it comes to, or wires that you can label when it comes to putting a thermostat in that control different parts of the air conditioning unit. So they do give you labels for that. I think that's pretty nice of them. This is the plate that goes on the wall. So this will just screw in the wall. These are where all the wiring goes on these little tabs. So all the different wires will go in here. So there's that. They gave us a fancy screwdriver. That's really nice. It's a little flathead. Oh, and Phillips. Man, you could even use this when you're with other stuff. You know, they give you. That's the one thing I like about Nest. I noticed this with the doorbell as well. They do give you everything to install your product, including the screws. I don't think there's really anything else here in the box. Oh, nope, I lied. There is this mounting plate. A lot of AC units, people have panels that were there before. These are just to cover up any existing, spots that aren't painted. So you would use the mount and the cover, and then obviously the thermostat would go on top on your wall. So that's really nice, and it does have a set of screws for these brackets as well in the bottom of the case here. I'm not going to pull them out. Well, I'm not going to pull them out, but you can see them there. So yeah, this is the Nest thermostat. It does, you can buy it online in just about any store, Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon. I got this at Costco, so feel free to check it out. I'll put some information in the description below, and hope you'll follow us. Give me a like or subscribe to my channel. So thanks. Bye.